Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your Google Maps settings. So you open Google Maps and then you press the three lines on the top left corner and then you go to settings. So after you go to settings, under using maps, you can change the mode of your setting. For example, I want it to be on dark mode, and then I can also change my distance units. So for example, you're more familiar with kilometers or with miles, so I'm more familiar with kilometers. And then now scale, so you want the map scale only while zooming or always, so I prefer while zooming. And then I can change my voice search. So you see under English there are Australia, Canada, Ghana. So just pick which one you want your voice search to be. And then so that's it. I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.